This week, we take a unique journey into the sensual paintings of Paul Sérusier to explore the emotional expression in his artwork. Sérusier was a prominent French painter who played a pivotal role in the Nabis movement that emerged in France in the late 19th century. Paul Sérusier lived between the years 1864 and 1927. His early involvement with the Nabis helped shape the group's identity and direction, making him the leading figure in breaking away from traditional artistic conventions and exploring new forms of expression. Sérusier's idea about color and symbolism were driven from Paul Gauguin's concept of using color for emotional and symbolic purposes rather than just for a strict representation of nature. To Sérusier, color is not merely a visual element, but a passionate language. It has the capability of stirring deep feelings and evoking intimate connections. He creates intoxicating paintings where color emerges as a sensual symphony, weaving a tapestry of emotions that embrace the soul. Sérusier is not just a painter. He's a poet of color. He weaves together emotion, symbolism, and intimacy into a tapestry that resonates across time. He deliberately simplifies forms to allow color to take central stage in his compositions. He strips each figure of unnecessary detail to allow them become embodiments of emotion. He invites us into a more intimate space where the essence of human experience is refined into its most sensual form. Sérusier does not use color in his paintings just as a tool. He uses it as a conduit for connection. This way, he allows us to transcend the ordinary and explore the deeper flow of our feeling. He invites us to feel, to reflect, and to engage with the beauty of life itself. Color is the voice of Sérusier, a language that speaks directly to the heart. In his works, we perceive a masterful dance of hues that transcend ordinary representation. His colors are chosen not just for their visual appeal, but for the mood they create. The soft pastels evoke a dreamlike quality that invites our contemplation. The bolder tones inject vibrancy and life into his canvas. Each color contributes to the overall atmosphere of the painting. In this way, he creates an emotional resonance that lingers long after our viewing. Sérusier makes his paintings feel like a celebration of existence. Every shade of color carries meaning in his paintings. Soft yellows radiate joy and warmth, while his deeper greens suggest mystery or longing to us. He also uses symbolism in his colors. He layers the canvas with narratives that go beyond the surface. He develops a dialogue between the viewer and the painting, where each glance reveals a new layer of significance. Through the use of vibrant, saturated colors, Sérusier attracts viewers into a realm where feelings take priority over form. His reds and oranges are ablaze with passion to stir an instinctive response. On the other hand, his cool blues offer us a blanket of tranquility. It is as if he whispers to us through his palette, inviting us to explore the depths of our emotions. Sérusier constructs spatial depth through color. His interplay of contrasting colors not only defines the figures, but also draws our eyes into the intimate embrace of the composition. Figures seem to emerge from the background in his canvases. Their sensuality is heightened by the way light dances across their forms. We realize through observing Sérusier's painting that light and color are inseparable. Every stroke of the brush captures the fleeting essence of a moment. Paul Sérusier was born in Paris, France. His journey into painting began during his studies at Académie Julian in Paris, where he was influenced by various artistic movements and mentors, particularly by the teaching of Paul Gauguin. Paul Sérusier was not only a talented painter, but also an influential figure in the development of modern art. As a founding member of the Nabis group, he played a crucial role in shifting the focus of art from realism to abstraction and emotional expression. Throughout his career, Sérusier shared his ideas with younger artists, influencing a new generation. His teachings emphasized the importance of personal expression and the subjective experience of art, encouraging students to find their own unique voices. Sérusier's focus on color theory and emotional expression influenced not only the Fauvism in art, but also later movements like Abstract Expressionism, where color and form became vehicles for personal expression.